Okay, so Jeff, you're a general counsel at a real estate firm.
Yes, sir.
You are also, you've been using AdvisorX to create marketing content um, for your firm, but also you're using it for internal productivity stuff. I don't know, maybe you are. Not sure yet.
Yes, yeah. So, mostly as it relates to marketing content, yeah, I'm general counsel for a real estate firm in Los Angeles, and I recently started a new business focused on the 1031 exchange space.
Yeah.
When we met, I had just launched that business, and I use AdvisorX now to create like between 7 and 14 days of content at a time, which makes the process super efficient for me. Um, and I'm able to post on LinkedIn and X 2 to 3 times a day, knowing that the information is all verified and great because it's information I uploaded to to the AI itself. Um,
That's awesome. And this is for, I know we made a 1031 persona for you, right?
yes, correct,
So
exactly.
you've been using that essentially.
I've been using that. And then, on LinkedIn, if I want to switch my hat a little bit, right? For my personal LinkedIn, we also created an attorney, like real estate focused persona.
Right.
So I've really stayed away from LinkedIn other than, sort of your standard, boring career updates. But now I'm actually getting into the content game because of you guys, because it's just so easy. Um, and with the exchange company, we're now, we just launched at the end of last year. Our website's now live. So now I'm sending out, monthly newsletters, but also using Advisor X to create, ebooks, based on sort of segments of the exchange space. Because this is it's a community where there's a lot of misinformation out there, or you have to pay to get the information. And I'm more of a let's freely give it away show that we're sort of industry experts. And
Right.
naturally, clients will come to us. I'm not worried about any air quote IP. There is no IP. We're following the IRS code and we're analyzing the code, and I'm utilizing academic materials to which I've scanned into Advisor X, and it's made, well, to put it simply, I now actually have an online presence that I no way would have, no, in no way,
That's
shape, or form would have had.
that's incredible. And also you're general counsel at a firm, so which means
Correct.
you charge a decent amount of money
Yes.
on billables, but how much time is it saving you like week on week versus doing it yourself or using like a general tool like ChatGPT or whatever?
Yeah. I would say on a daily basis, at least 30 to 45 minutes, right? So if you aggregate that over the course of a week, because what I do, Jonathan, is either Saturday or Sunday before the week gets going, when sort of my prompts run out, right? I'll sit down the day before and I'll spend, call it a total of 20 minutes, on Advisor X. Typing in a prompt, maybe asking it to clarify or change a couple things. And it's just, I mean, so yeah, so you multiply that over hours every week, through probably 4 or 5 hours every week, it's saving me. And frankly, Bud, that's just time I wouldn't. It's time I wouldn't have even spent doing it before. So
Correct.
I have
Correct.
this new skill set because of you guys. It's
That's
amazing.
awesome. Thanks for sharing that, Jeff. Really
Yep.
appreciate that.